Welcome back to Welding me Grandad. It's Thursday afternoon, I'm in the garage. Just a quick update on this. Oh, I better press the this button here. That if you don't press it, you can't weld aluminium. There we are, we're on that. I'm on pulse, and we've now got conditions. Right, if you press the inch button, as I call it, that'll run. And I think as a safety feature, it cuts off before it hits the nozzle, or the tip, or wherever it comes out the torch. And then you press it again, and it runs until you tell it to stop by pressing the trigger. Now the gas solenoid, however, if you press that, I haven't got gas hooked up. It spews out gas till you've purged the system or set your nozzle flow rates there if you're a good boy or girl and got that. Because I pressed that the other day and I got two machines going. I'd got the tin boot going. And that's a noisy beast. As you can tell, I haven't used this one. It's silent. And I'd set this one up, press that button and forgot. Used the tin boot, set that up, put a weld down, went back and looked at the gas. And it had dropped drastically. Or should I say dramatically. It had gone from there down in a couple of welds with the tin boot. And I realised this thing was still running. So, I got a bit of downer on that, because if you use the tin boot, you press the voltage button, count to 3, gas starts flowing. As soon as you let go, it stops. So the tin boot's better for that. So that's just a warner, you know. So as I've said, that was £107 to refill. I've got the new big one, which is, I don't know, less than half the price. I've just hooked that up, by the way. I've got a new regulator coming with a long stem, and then I'll have a flow indicator on there to show if I've got a leak. And I've run it along the top to this manifold I made. So that's the gas into the manifold, flow indicator or flow meter, and then I can have another one there if I want to run two machines. And then that goes into the box here for the said machine to use. But anyway, that's a warner about that. And I've just been looking at this Jasic, because people keep going on about Artec. I've got a thing about Artec. I've experienced some. But this, 1096, 5-year warranty, and it's fan on demand. I think it's a better machine than this, but it's 3 times the price. But it's got a 5-year warranty. These things, if something goes wrong with that, I've got to rely on parts coming from China to do it myself. So make your own mind up. End of message. Happy welding. Stay safe.